Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. Today I am showing you my experience at the Kendra Scott boutique here in Soho in New York City. It was the very last day that I was able to get my birthday discount. If you guys are unaware, Kendra Scott is this wonderful jewelry company. They make gorgeous jewelry, and I've been a fan of them for many years. I actually discovered them through Rocksbox. I started getting their pieces and then I fell in love and I'm just completely obsessed. I visited one of their New Orleans boutiques, but they opened up a location in New York City, but I haven't been able to attend, and it was the very last day of November, which is my birthday month, so I thought, this is it. This is the opportunity, perfect opportunity to go and visit them for the first time, because during your birthday month, what Kendra Scott does is that they give you 50% off of all of their jewelry. I think actually everything in their boutique except their fine jewelry. During your birthday month, you get 50% off, or you can get 25% off their fine jewelry. So it was November 30th. My birthday was on Thanksgiving, and I had looked through their website and I'd fallen in love with the piece, so I just thought, this is it, I have to go. So in today's video, I'll show you our experience at the boutique, give you a look at what it looks like. It's decorated for the holidays right now, which is so beautiful, and then we're gonna come back here and I'll show you what I picked up. So with my purchase, I received their Kendra Scott New York City bag. It says Kendra Scott, X New York, so Kendra Scott by New York. This is something obviously that's exclusive to the New York City store. So that was really nice. They gave me that with my purchase. I received also a dust bag for whenever I travel with my jewelry. I can keep them in here. And then the item that I picked up is right here, as you can see from the box. This is one of their fine jewelry pieces because normally they will just come in the dust bag with the care card. But this box means it's fine jewelry. If you guys watch my vlogs, then you know all about my piercing experience in Los Angeles. I went to Brian Keith Thompson, who's done Beyonce, Scarlett Johansson, Jennifer Lawrence, you name it, he's done them all. And I got 3 new piercings, and I've just become kind of really into jewelry right now. And I've always loved jewelry, but now I'm really into earrings and buying new earrings. And so I decided to go with one of Kendra Scott's fine jewelry pieces. So I'll just go ahead and show you. This is what I purchased. This is Kendra Scott's 14 karat yellow gold jet earrings with white diamonds. The description for this earring says, introducing our most petite hoop yet, the jet 14 karat yellow gold earrings in white diamond. These stunning earrings feature a dusting of pave diamonds on a delicate 14 karat yellow gold hoop and are sure to wow. The jet 14 karat yellow gold earrings define elegance and simplicity and can be worn for years to come. Our diamonds are conflict free in compliance with the Kimberly process. So I picked up these earrings to go in my second piercing here from the bottom on the lobe. This will sit just below the stack that Brian made for me on the earlobe. I don't want to remove these earrings. I am fine removing this one. This is where I'll always put like my big statement earrings. So I can wear jewelry that's not 14 karat gold or yellow gold or white gold or silver. Those I'm fine interchanging, but these I'd rather just not touch at all. So I wanted something that was 14 karat gold or 18 karat gold, something that I don't have to remove when I go into the shower, and that is why I picked these up. I have been looking for these little huggy hoops. Huggies mean that they basically go right into the ear. You don't have that space. They don't hang, they kind of just clip and hug your ear, which is why they're called huggies. And these are just absolutely stunning and beautiful. I saw them on the website and I just fell in love with them, and after seeing them up close, I knew that they were the right ones for me. So I'm going to put them on right now. So here they are in the box. You just pull on this piece right here to get them out of the box, and then you can clip them from the back. So here they are on me. Oh, I love them so much. I'm so in love. They are the perfect size. I wanted something small so that it can stay put, because sometimes when I wear my bolder earrings, they will clash. They're too close together, and so I have to remove the one that's up here to make room for the one on the bottom. But with this one, it's because it's a hoop, because they can like just kind of swing away, because they're so small. I wouldn't say like so small, they're not like, ridiculously small. They're just perfect, the perfect size for this earring right here. I love them so much. So there you go. I hope that you enjoyed that look at the New York City boutique and my unboxing of my earrings that I got a 25% off discount on, which I could not be more grateful. These retail for $500, so I paid just a little over $400 for them, which is a very nice discount. I, again, could not be happier with them. The quality is so good. They're just beautiful. Because they're 14 karat gold, I don't have to remove them when I shower, when I'm washing my face. They can just live there, which is exactly what I wanted. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. I make videos about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel, you name it, I cover it all. And if you hit that notification button, then you will be notified as soon as my videos go out. Don't forget to check out the description box below, where I will link to the things that I discuss in my video. I also link my social media. I am on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you name it, I'm on it. Click right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.